here. Wanted to wish you all happy 4th of July. Hope everyone's safe out there. And we're going to celebrate with some horsepower here. It's like crazy. This is like the first big quad I've ever had or even necessarily ridden. Or at least big sport quad. I'd ridden my dad's Rincon, and that's a 680. But this is like the first big quad that I'd ever ridden. And I remember I got on this thing, and I was too scared to wheelie it. That was a good jump. I don't know if I can top that one. That might be the keeper for this edit. Well, it just rained, which is good because I kind of keep stuff wet in case some fireworks get out of hand, and that also means we basically have hero dirt right now, so that is awesome. So much more traction than I used to have, especially since my tires are basically bald. Through here. Well, no wind, so I guess I can get the drone put up here. Yeah, I'm getting way more traction than I was. I came out for a quick rip the other day, and I wasn't getting any traction, but that rain really helped out.